Hello, and welcome to my project presentation for Comp 382, Languages, Computation, and Machines. The purpose of this project was to create a lexical analyzer for the programming language called Decaf. So, the code that I made was meant to take an input file written in Decaf and produce a token stream that looks something like this, where the input file looks something like this. It is supposed to take any information from there and convert it into a token found on this list here and put it out in an output file. This is my code here. It is adapted from the default one we were supplied with as part of the project. And the way that it works is that it will go through the input file piece by piece and put the information as this lexeme here. And then it will find from this list and return a number over here. So, for instance, if the code were to read func, F-U-N-C, from the input file, it will return this 15 code, where it will go and in this switch function here, find case 15, output t underscore func, and func as the lexeme, and then it will go to the next line in the output file, and then continue on for each piece of information in the input file. Right here is where I would run the test cases we were supplied with. However, I was unable to make the program work properly on my system. I used Windows 10, 64-bit, but used a program called Cygwin to emulate Linux in order to make this work. Now, as you see here, I was supposed to use the make decaflex command in Linux to create the file that would run and read the input and supply the output. Now, if I go ahead and try and do this function, it's going to stop here and tell me that it could not find the -ll part for G++. Now, I spent quite a long time trying to figure out how to fix this problem, but was unable to actually find a fix online, and therefore was unable to completely finish the project. However, theoretically, my code should still be able to work if the make command was able to properly work on my system. Thank you for watching my presentation.